Hey, Attorney Masah S, SamForay, owner and founder of the Foray firm with offices in Chicago and Houston, and I am back again to talk to you about all things immigration. So today's question is, can I work in the U.S. while waiting for my green card application to process? Can I work in the U.S. while I'm waiting? Yes, you can. Anyone with a valid permit, an H-1B, an L-1 visa, can continue to work while applying for your green card. Otherwise, green card applicants can't work until they obtain their work permit by completing an I-765 application. So what you cannot do is you cannot work while you're waiting for your green card to process unless you have received your EAD or your employment authorization document. But if you have your employment authorization document, by all means, go to work. So your EAD or your employment authorization document, also known as your I-766, will arrive in the mail about 7 days before your Social Security number. Wait until you get these before you start working. Time frame questions are really frequent, and so we like to make sure that we give you time frames and expected time frames so that you can plan accordingly. Your employment authorization / Social Security card, which again will come about 7 days apart in the mail, normally arrive about 90 days from the date that you did your biometric. I went into a little bit more detail about what the biometric screening is in one of my other videos below, so please feel free to check it out. But once you've had your biometrics done, you should expect it to be about 3 months before you get your EAD or your employment authorization document and your Social Security number. And if your green card, or rather obtaining your green card, is your ultimate goal, then know that that interview notice normally comes about 4 months after filing the petition. So because the interview notice comes about 4 months after filing the petition, that will set a future date. Then you should know that from the date that you come and you get your biometric screening and you then get your employment authorization and Social Security number, there's going to be a delay of several months, longer than a year in many cases, from that time until you get your actual green card. So by all means, if you want to work, if you want to earn money in the meantime, once you have received your employment authorization document and your Social Security number, feel free. Welcome to America, where you have to work to eat, and feel free to go on ahead and get started once you have those documents. I hope that this was helpful.